What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Had a long day today. Just went to Harbor Freight and Air Gas. I'll tell you guys what I picked up real quick. So we got a 60 cubic feet tank of 100% pure argon for the Hitbox 3-in-1 welder, the plasma cutter, Tig, and the stick welder. We had the bandsaw. We also picked up a Bauer grinder wheel with the adjustable work rest and the belt sander. That's going to really help us clean up material and stuff like that, and be able to grind our tungsten if we need to. Also got a welding cart that just came in the mail today. So a lot of stuff. I got to put together a welding cart, set up the tank, get everything set up, and then I also want to get the titanium welding table from Harbor Freight and put it right here. I think that'd be perfect with the welder right next to it. But let me get all this stuff set up, guys, and then I'll meet you on the tripod and we'll test out this welder, and I'll show you guys everything that we got so far. Alright, guys, so the garage is an absolute mess. It's late. I was trying to mess with this welder a little bit. It's the first time I'm trying TIG welding, so I have a lot to learn. I've MIG welded before. I have previous experience with MIG weld. I MIG welded my whole F-150 front of the frame together. Came out great, but this is my first time TIG welding, and it's definitely going to take some getting used to. This welder has a lot of features that I don't fully understand yet. Peak current, upslope. I know pre-flow and post-flow, but it's got downslope, base current, pulse width, bunch of stuff that I'm going to have to, figure out. So these were my first couple welds. They're absolutely horrible. These are the first TIG welds I've ever done. So yeah. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do, these are what they look like. I don't even know if I'm getting penetration, but got a lot to learn. So I don't believe I'm using the right rod for this. I'm using a Vulcan ER70S2. So it looks like it's pretty thick. I feel like I should be using something thinner, but if you guys have any input, let me know. We did get the Bauer grinder and belt sander set up. It's got the LED light. Honestly, it's great. It works great for what I need it for. I just need it to like clean up the edges of metal. This rotates up, down. And yeah, we got the Hercules bandsaw stand. This can be mounted straight up and down, upright, or it can be used as like a chop saw, like a bandsaw chop saw. And we got the Bauer bandsaw in there with a metal cutting blade. So slowly but surely, we're getting the garage set up. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I got a bunch of cool content on the channel, and I'd really appreciate it. It really helps me out and gives me motivation to keep putting out content. I know this was kind of a shorter video tonight. Like I said, it was a long day. I will be putting together like a time-lapse video and a little review of this welder from a standpoint of somebody that's never TIG welded before, wants to get into it and doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money. This is a 3-in-1, like I said, so it does plasma cutting, stick welding, and TIG welding. DC, not AC. Alright, guys, have a good night. Also, we got the welding cart all set up. Forgot to show you guys this. This was like 90 bucks on eBay. I was going to get the one from Harbor Freight, but this one's actually nicer. It's got the 2 hooks on each side for the, your ground clamp and stuff like that. And it has 4 drawers. I really like that it had the 4 drawers, and the wheels are actually rubber, not plastic. I got a 60 cubic feet tank in here right now. Fits perfect. You could put an 80. But for 90 bucks, I don't think you could go wrong.